Struggling to rank in Google despite of putting your heart and soul into Google? You are not getting the expected result to rank high. The off-page SEO may be the culprit here. So in this video I will tell you about what is on-page SEO, what is off-page SEO, and why off-page SEO is necessary to rank us in our search engines. SEO is divided into two parts. One is on-page SEO and another is off-page SEO. Many of us tell us that off-page SEO is otherwise called link building. So the first question come here, what is off-page SEO? So let me tell you that off-page SEO is that ranking factor that is controlled outside of our website. Anything that done by us that is outside of our website to make the search engine ranking better, that is called off-page SEO. Link building is a part of off-page SEO as it gives plenty of opportunity to rank us in higher stage in search engine. Now let's learn what is the difference between on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Stay tuned. On-page SEO is that kind of ranking technique where you optimize your individual web page to rank your web page higher in the search engine, while you have a control over it, and how you optimize that depend on the ranking factor on search engine. While we don't have any control over off-page SEO and we get link from different other platform to us, that is called off-page SEO. For example, let us assume that I bake cake and that cake are of good quality and they taste good. Outsider will know that I make a good quality of cake, so hearing about that they will come to me and they purchase cake from me. That means this is called the external link building, where I get my customer through external sources. That is otherwise called off-page SEO in digital marketing. So if I summarize the optimization technique that you do outside of your web page, that you don't have control over it, that is otherwise called as off-page SEO. The next question that come to our mind, why off-page SEO is so much important? Google takes into account many off-page factors when deciding if and where to rank web pages. Link are one of those factors, but there are many other factors are also available. So the first one is backlink. So backlink are perhaps the most critical part of off-page SEO. Why? Because Google search is built on something called PageRank, an algorithm that looks at the quantity and quality of backlink pointing to your particular web page. So in here, how many backlink you have, that depends on the ranking on search engine on the particular keyword. That means we need to create more and more backlink to our individual web page to rank in the search engine higher. No, there is a catch in here. Actually, it does not depend on quantity of backlinks, it depends on quality of backlink. Only a couple of good quality backlink can outrank a website that have multiple backlink of low qualities. So I am telling here is that you need to create good quality backlinks, not poor quality. The quality matters, but the quantity does not. The next important factor that depends on, that is called do follow and no follow. Do follow means Google crawler will follow that link, while no follow means Google crawler will not follow that link. Most links on the web are followed, but some website like Forbes no follow almost all outbound links. So if you actively building or pursuing links from particular website, it pays to make sure that their outbound links are followed. That means we need to follow the do follow backlink. We need to create the do follow backlinks. The next off-page SEO optimization point is you need to put different kinds of a tag while you are building off-page link building. The link may be internal or the link may be external. Internal linking means linking all the pages in our particular website, while external linking means getting link from other web pages. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say you require a cook. One of your friend has tell that A cook is better, while other one is told that B cook is better. So it's your time to decide whether you will go for A cook or B cook. So let's assume that A cook is working in a hotel as full-time as a chef, while the B cook is accountant. That means you will go for A cook because the A cook has more experience of cooking rather than from B cook, while B cook is accountant but A cook is a cook that is working in a restaurant for full-time basis. That means the relevance factor have been calculated here. Similarly, things work much the same way online. If you are catering company and you have link from other food blog, then that is likely going to carry more weight than a link from a finance blog. I hope you are getting my points. The important factor of off-page SEO is traffic. Let's say search engine have given two website a good rank. Let's say A is at rank 1 and B is at rank 2. While people are going to B website and staying at B website, they are not coming to A. But remember that A website is rank 1, but people are going to B website. That means the B website have more traffic than the A website, and people are more connected, more dependent on B website rather than A website. In here, the B website will gradually come over to A website and A website will go down to B website area. That means here the traffic have worked. How many traffic you get, that will be dependent on the ranking of your search engine. That means you need to get a good quality of traffic into your website in order to rank your website in a higher position in search engine. The next important off-page factor is brand mention. That means whenever a good brand, that brand is already established, is saying good about you, that means you are getting a good high quality backlink to you. That means all the member or all the referral from that brand will come to your brand. The final thoughts here, maybe the off-page ranking factor is more harder than the on-page ranking factor. That does not make sense that we cannot control the off-page SEO ranking factor. However, while doing different kinds of off-page technique that I have told in my video, we can rank or outperform any other competition and we can rank higher in search engine. The harder is something to get, the more reliable it is, as you know always. If you still feel that this is harder, then feel free to check out my all the videos that is related to digital marketing. I have different playlist of digital marketing, website design, PHP.NET Pixel, where you can go through my videos and check out all the videos and learn freely from those videos. And come here again, and now you will see that all these factors that I have told in this video will be easier for you. Then you can implement all the off-page SEO strategy in your web page or outside your web page, and that will make your ranking higher in the search engine. I hope this video is pretty much helpful for you. For now, right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. If you liked this video, why don't you check out my other videos on my YouTube channel.